Okay, this is for entertainment purposes only. Let's roll. What's going on, guys? So I got here these silver rounds from 9 Fine Mint. Troy ounce. Got some here. And can you guess what's in the box? Yep, it's more of the same. So I'm going to go ahead and open this box and take the rest out, and I'll show you what I like to do with my silver when I get it out of the box. Alright, so I opened them up. I get these things. Got the package. So I ordered more of the same, and what I like to do when I get a stack of these, which is a stack of 20, I like to put them in these things here called guardhouse tubes. I'll stack these up and then I'll file them away. So I'll cut these bags open, I'll take them all out of the folds, then I'll get to it. Alright, so I got these out here. I'm going to count them all up. If I got 20, I'm going to put them into my tube here. So this part, I'm going to take them out of the folds. I'm going to put them in a stack. What's funny is I wore gloves. I probably never ever touched any of my coins with my regular hands. I own these, but I never will touch them, more than likely, unless it comes time to go to trade them or barter them or whatever. And I'll retain these folds, so if I ever go to use, I can put them back in the folds. We'll get some detail here if you want to see it. That's the 9 Fine Mint honeycomb pattern. One troy ounce of silver. You know, I have my gloves on when I take all these out and handle them. Alright, so I'm going to start by stacking these all up. So I'll start this way here, because I want this part to be up when I open the package. So what I'll do is I'll put them on one of these folds like this. And I'll take my guardhouse tube, take the cap off, just slip it over the stack, flip them over. I'll see if it fits. Oh, and it fits. Look at that, it fits perfect. Now sometimes if it doesn't fit, what I'll do is I'll come in here and I'll whittle that little ring down until I get a fit. But this fits just fine. And that's what I like to do with my silver. So I can inspect it easy, I can count them easy, I know how much I got in inventory, and I know what one tube of silver is going to do for me if trouble ever hits. But it's just, I just like having a little bit around. Some people call this God's money. I don't know what you guys call it, but I enjoy it. I think it's actually really pretty to look at. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Hoping to be making more. Have a good night, and if I don't talk to you before, happy Thanksgiving, and be safe. Please be safe.